I'm your best friend.
We're not best friends. I don't think you.
I'm gonna throw on purpose. Remember the time when? Actually, you know what? I hope you forgot about that time.
Wait, I didn't mean to.
I'm not gonna bring it up. I'm not gonna bring it up actually. Is this the last one we're doing?
The heck, dude! I just accidentally said yes to. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
Life.
Dude, my life is ruined. I'm gonna get muted. Oh, my life is ruined. It's over. It's Joe over. I need to post that GIF.
Post the GIF.
You're so slow.
Yep, I'm super slow.
Hey, I bet that's gonna be a crate. There's not a crate. Oh, there's a crate. There's 3 crates.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Finally, dude!
I can drop this combat shotgun. Let's go.
I actually thought that the spawns were broken for a second.
I can drop this combat shotgun. Let's go. I'm gaming. Don't ask me what else I'm doing with the combat shotgun. It's redacted.
Redacted. I really don't want to mess up. Please don't mess up. No, hey, I clicked at the wrong place. There we go. Okay. Okay, go. I can't mess up. Please.
Fuck.
I'm.
No, I got caught in the tree. I want to go too far. Damn it.
Here. Okay. 1,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do I gotta do? Oh, I did it. Wait, what? What's the whole record? Oh, we did it!
Yes!
We did it! Let's go! I got scared because I couldn't walk inside of it because it was so tall. Oh my god. Let's go! One more record. One left. And it's big city. Man, that's how order you can get over it. We are the best limitless speedrunners on God.
Oh god.
On God.